In a bowl add yogurt, garlic paste, ginger paste, green chili paste, lemon juice, salt, chili flakes, black pepper, cumin powder, allspices powder, turmeric powder, and mix it well. Add yellow food color, and mix to combine, until a smooth paste forms. Take a skinless whole chicken, washed, and make deep cuts into breasts and legs. Add the whole chicken into marination and spread the paste all over the chicken, then allow to marinate for at least 1 hour. For best results, leave to marinate overnight. Tie the chicken legs together using kitchen twine, then completely wrap it with aluminum foil. In a pressure cooker, add water and keep a steamer rack, or wire rack, in the bottom, then add the water, ensuring that the water doesn't touch the steamer. Keep it on the top of the steamer. The chicken should not be in contact with the water. Bend the lid and give it pressure for 10 minutes after whistle. Remove the lid and dish out it. Remove foil and set aside for 10 minutes to allow it to cool down. In the meanwhile, heat up a deep fryer until hot, then add the cooled down chicken and fry for 5 to 6 minutes until crispy. Dish out chargha. Chargha is ready.